Snipe Squad, what it going on with? I'm talking about on. Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and welcome back to another lit video. Okay, now guys, today, as you can see, my voice is a little shaky. It's a little raspy. I was hooping yesterday, it got real loud, real intense, and I kind of lost my voice, so please stay with me throughout the vlog. But today will still be a lit day, man. Today, it's a huge sneaker event going on downtown Atlanta. I'm about to pull up to, man. It's supposed to be so many people there. YouTubers, rappers, singers, artists, all types of stuff with it going on. Today is Saturday, the official release drop of the He Got Game 13s. Please let me know down below in the comment section if any of you guys picked those up. One quick thing, guys, I have a sneaker box right here, man. This is my first time ever like selling a pair of sneakers on my channel, but I bought these Uncle Drew Kyrie's, man. As you can see, they're DS because they're size 9.5. I accidentally bought the wrong pair when I won off Sneakers app. When this shoe first dropped, I copped off Sneakers app and I got it like a week early, but the thing is I wanted the 12. Somehow I got a 9.5. So these are a 9.5 DS, OG box, OG everything, and it's a Kyrie, bro. I'm not trying to break no necks. All I want is what I paid for it, which is 120 bucks. Anybody who's interested, please don't waste my time, but anybody who's interested, please hit me in my DM on Instagram, which is right there in the left-hand corner. Just DM me, tell me you want them. I will ship them to you the same day, bro. I just need them gone. I challenge anybody, and I mean anybody, name your favorite YouTuber. Name them to a game of one-on-one. I won't lose. Alright guys, so a few things before we head out, man. I'm not gonna be driving my car that I'm in right now. I'm actually about to pull up on my boy Bradley. I don't know if y'all remember Bradley, but we went to Douglasville Mall because he bought too many Cool Grey 11s because he thought he was gonna be able to resell like a lame-o and was actually not able to get any of them. So I'm about to go meet up with him, man. Reason being is because I was coming home from work, bro. My AC just went out. As y'all can see right now, all my windows open. My AC is not gonna be fixed until probably like Monday. So I'm not trying to ride 45 minutes away with no AC. Hopefully y'all can hear me with these windows down. But it's about that time for me to introduce you to my boy Bradley. My boy Bradley, we're going on, boy. We're going on. Goddamn J's on, boy. Hat on, boy. Got the goddamn bag on, boy. Lil Bradley, we're going on, boy. Shout out to my man YB in the mirror. Alright, y'all, we headed inside the event, and honestly, I could tell like by right now, it actually looked trash. All these empty parking spots, bro. This is this is crazy. Cars here, but it's like no cars over here in this whole side. The reason why that is crazy because this actually started at 12 o'clock, and if I'm not mistaken, it's almost like 3 o'clock. Let me check real quick. Yes, it's like 2:57, so it's 3 o'clock. And it's still nobody here. I guess I can give it I guess it's not like surprising because this is like the first time they did an event like this, but you would think with all of the publicity or all of the promotion that they've been doing, there'd be a lot more people out here, but that's not the case. Hopefully it's more lit inside. I'll be able to show you all a lot when I get back inside of here. Maybe be some heat, maybe be a lot of tables. Sneaker exit is tomorrow though. So if any of y'all gonna be at sneaker exit tomorrow, which will be Sunday, what will be Sunday? Sunday tomorrow's what, August 5th? That's the 5th, right?
Tomorrow is the 5th.
The 5th. YBN said tomorrow is the 5th. So if y'all gonna be at that event, then I will be there too. So show love if y'all gonna be in that thing. Pull up, way. We about to go inside here and see what they got going on, man. See what it's hitting for. As I suspected, it is thin up in here, JJ. You see how thin it is up in here, bro? I see a lot of tables, but I don't see a lot of people. So this vlog might not be too long here because it does not look that nice. But I'm gonna still walk around, probably show y'all some B-roll of the event and see if there's anything nice on the tables, but it's looking real slim. Honestly, guys, the event is absolutely, positively dead. Look behind me. That is the only people that's here, bro. Nobody's here at all. Brad, please tell them how ass this event is, bro.
Bro, this shit is terrible, bro.
This shit is ass. Nobody's here. We literally just walked around like once or twice. It was actually even a struggle for me to be able to get some content on the table for y'all because it was taking that damn long to actually find something worth putting on camera. But I guess we're gonna stay around, man, see if it pop off a little bit later. Like I said, it's still 3 o'clock and shit don't close until 8. But this event, I might only stay for another 15 minutes tops.
A few moments later.
Well, guys, as I said, it only lasted about 25 minutes tops. We leaving out. Even the vendors are leaving, bro. The vendors are leaving, and it's not supposed to end until 8 o'clock. And the vendors are already leaving. It's like 4 o'clock, so you know, if they leaving out missing money, it's definitely a terrible, terrible event, man. So I take an L on the event, but it's all good. We about to head to Cumberland Mall, and I can get a close-up on these He Got Game 13 that just dropped. All right, y'all, we just got here to Cumberland Mall. Hopefully, the mall vlog is better than that damn sneaker event I just did, because we can all speak for that. That shit was ass. The He Got Games 13 just dropped. They was first come, first served on a lot of different sites or a lot of different apps. So they shouldn't be sold out. It's a mass general release. So if it's none in this big ass mall, I'm gonna be surprised because it's like 5 different, maybe even like 7 different sneaker stores inside this one mall. So I know for sure I'm gonna be able to at least find 1 pair to look at for the first time. I just see y'all when we get inside. So right now we in Champ Sports. I don't see any of the He Got Game 13s in the men's size. It look like they only got them in kids, which is kind of good because it is a classic shoe. It is a dope colorway, and it's a shoe that I didn't think would be popping as much. You know what I'm saying? I knew they would still have pairs. Like I know it's still gonna be pairs in the mall, but as far as how many pairs, I'm not sure. Here go the kid sizes that they have right here, so they still is pretty dope. But like I said, I'm not surprised that it's not a lot of men's sizes. They probably still do have them in the back. I didn't ask. But just look at this shoe, bro. Classic shoe. I cannot wait till I get these in my hand. Like I said, I am picking these up. The only reason why I don't have them right now is because I'm buying them. Luckily, somebody looked out for me and I'm not paying full price, so they're shipping those to me ASAP. But these are must-have in the collection, bro. A must-have. The material is great for a 13. Y'all already know that usually the 13 material is trash. The suede is super soft. And this is honestly my favorite basketball movie of all time. Jesus Shuttlesworth was like the GOAT in high school. He was kind of like me, bro. So these are fire. Red Jumpman logo. You see the tumbled leather on the entire shoe, even on the toe box. Red bottoms on this thing. Come on, bro. Classic 13 colorway. So by the time I drop this video, these will probably still be in stores. I think on Sneakers app, they sold out of most of the common sizes. They only got like size 17, 18 sizes like that left. But by the time this video dropped, they'll probably all be gone. If you get your chance to cop these, I would definitely say cop them. They true to size, usually size 12. I am a size 12, so that's why I'm gonna be copping. It's a size 12. And I'm gonna show y'all some B-roll of the shoe, probably in another store because I wanna see if they got any of them in men. So it looked like they got men's sizes up here at Jimmy Jazz. I think this is 9, so 9 in men. So it's still a low size to have out here, but they do got a 9 in men's out here at Jimmy Jazz. What I'm gonna do is show y'all some B-roll like I told y'all when I find a men's size. I'm about to show y'all that right now. So while Bradley is over here stuffing his face, I'm gonna show you all the Air Max Deluxe that I see everybody copping. Who all had these? Shumanati had these. Shumanati had these. I think Tony D picked them up. What you think about these, bro? They dope? They fly?
It's trash.
He's trash? I don't know, it's a different design, man. The colorway is definitely popping. I said I would have to see these in person before I purchase them, but I don't think this would be nothing. No, I'm good, bro. I don't think this would be nothing I'll buy, though. But I like that Nike's trying to do something different at least. But I still think Puma is killing it right now with the whole reinvention wave. Puma got it on lock for sure. Headed out the mall right now, about to head back to the house. Like I said, they did have it. He got Game 13s in there, obviously. But the biggest surprise to me was those fake Balenciaga shoes, bro. They're not really fake. It was just not Balenciagas. I'm headed back to the crib. Y'all know I like to end my vlogs when I get back to the crib. I got a few things I want to talk to y'all about at a later date. We're gonna get to that pretty soon. But other than that, man, I will catch y'all back at the house. Or matter of fact, I'm gonna do a dope edit. I'm gonna catch y'all back at the house now. Back home where I'm supposed to be Finally at the crib after a long day of basically a bunch of nothing, man. Today we went to the sneaker event that was kind of a fail. I didn't really feel like it was put together as well as it should have been, but the sneaker exit is tomorrow and everything should be okay there. Sneaker exit is usually a bigger event and they usually always come in with the right people. But the biggest thing is the He Got Game 13 release. Please let me know, did you guys cop? Did anybody pick up they pair? One thing that I love right off the back of the He Got Game 13 was the quality of suede they had and that nice tumble leather they had throughout the entire shoe. It was way better than this one right here, the Bread 13 in my opinion, because the suede is okay and the leather quality is actually pretty bad, to be honest. And it's even better, dare I say, than the Flint 13s I have as well, because the Flint suede is I think a little bit better, but it's a lot older, so it got a little bit more wear. But I still feel like the actual tumbled leather on the entire shoe is just a little bit better than both of these releases. So it's definitely a good pair if you don't already have them in your collection, or even if you do have an older one, because the new one is better than the older one. So if you have them, then get the new one. All in all, I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by, man, coming through once again, kicking it with me. Make sure that y'all subscribe to the channel because I am grinding, trying to hit that 10K. 10K subs is what I'm trying to hit at the end of the year. It seemed like I've been saying this at the end of my videos for a very, very long time, but I just got to keep doing it, speaking into existence, because, you know, you think positive things happen. So I'm going to put that out there. Subscribe to the channel. Share this with anybody you think would like this content, your cousins, your nieces, your uncles, all of them. And until next time, I will see y'all, man. It is your boy, Sniper Jones. Thank you for tuning in once again. Gang, gang.